Hi guys, how you doing? Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to Smashin' Bashin' RC. Today we got the the ARRMA Granite and the JLB CHEETAH was in the background. I'm with Sasha and Calliope, I think might be passed out back there now yet, but we're driving around looking for a nice spot to go bash him, and when we find it, we're gonna have some fun out there. Okay, and oh, by the way, just realized I've been doing this for like 6 months now. I got about 23 videos out now, and I've never told you my name. Well, guess what? Today's your lucky day. My name's Boink.
You fucking idiot. Boink.
I know, guy, you Claudia's are probably in the shock, like, holy, his name's Boink. I figured his name would be something like Tony or something like that, right? But Boink. He looks like a Tony, doesn't? Don't I look like a Tony? But yeah, man, it's Boink.
It's not Boink. It's stupid.
She keeps telling everybody my name's not Boink. She's gonna tell me, oh, it's Tony. But yeah, man, my name's Tony. Alright, we'll see you when we find a spot. Looks like we found a spot. We're bringing it back to this parking lot where we, last time I was here, I totaled out the granite, ran it into the bumper and broke an A-arm and a shock. But yeah, we're going back there to check it out for a little while, and we're gonna hit a ramp there. Here's the granite. Got the GoPro strapped today. It's gonna be chasing the cheetah for a little while, and Sash will be driving that. No, I didn't turn that on yet. Come on, get it over here. Oh, that was close. This car handles a lot better since I took that other spring off the shocks.
This one's not coming back to me.
I don't know what happened to that granite. She said it's not coming back to her. It's binding up. There'll be something stuck in it. There was a rock stuck in it. Taking that GoPro off now. I don't want to ruin it.
It's not waterproof?
No, it's just that in case we flip over or something. Oh. Battery's dead on this one. On request of one of our subscribers, he wanted to see the cheetah on 4S, so I got a 4S right here. To throw it out on cheetah, I'm gonna give it a rip around here. Let's hit a parking lot and some jumps to do. So hope you guys enjoy it too. 4S and the cheetah. Oh my God, this car's crazy. Wow. That's what happens when you don't have a good freaking strap for the battery. No, I don't see this battery staying in very long. That's not even half throttle. This car is, I ain't gonna be able to get it to run good on 4S. There's full. I'm gonna just full throttle it right now. Look at what it does. That's crazy. Yeah, battery's out again, so I'm gonna go back to 3S and just let it rip on 3S now. Not enough wheel spin. Oh, tripped on a rock. Oh, that's it. I'm never gonna find that nut tonight. So I think running 4S on that Cheetah is a little bit too much for the car itself, because it's already fast enough on 3S. I think I've seen some people claim it hits about 48 miles an hour on 3S, so 3S it's fast enough. On 4S, couldn't even really get it to pass half throttle, and it was just flipping right up and wheeling and somersaulting. And as for the Granite, it killed its battery pretty quick again. I don't know if it's battery, if it's just overheating. It's winter out now, so I don't see it overheating that often. But if you like that video, like and subscribe, hit the bell button so you get notifications of when we put new videos up, and I'll see you in the next video.